Good evening. Anything that we discuss is going to be for educational purposes. I'd like to welcome you all to Digital Trading Floor. It's a platform where we disseminate financial data in real time to provide actionable insights. The objective for making this video is to analyze Nifty options open interest data. I would be analyzing the index on multiple time frames and framing a view for tomorrow, 21st September. So let's start by analyzing Nifty options open interest data. So for 23rd September weekly expiry series, you will see that highest amount of open interest in calls is currently at 17,600 call strike, followed by 17,500 call strike. So for this weekly series, 17,500 and 17,600 are likely to act as a strong resistance. And if we see the puts, 17,200 put strike and 17,000 put strike, they are likely to act as a strong support, as highest amount of open interest addition is currently at 17,000 put strike, followed by 17,200 put strike. And if you were to see what happened intraday, you will see that in intraday today, highest amount of open interest addition happened in 17,500 calls. So large percentage of option writers, they were writing 17,500 call, followed by 17,400 call. And based on the open interest data of the puts, you will see that they saw the open interest reduce. So 17,600 put strike, 17,550, 17,500 put strike, 17,450 put strike, and here you can see all the in the money puts like 17,800, 17,700 and so on. They saw their open interest reduce. So based on the price action, it tells us that put buyers, they have booked their profits, and put writers, they have booked their losses. If we analyze the index on multiple time frames, here you will see on the monthly time frame, Nifty is under control of buyers as it is trading above the monthly open. So this is the monthly spot candlestick. And if you see the weekly candlestick, so today was start of a new week. So on the weekly time frame, we were under control of sellers as we are trading below the weekly open. As today is Monday, so weekly as well as the daily opening are going to be the same. So you can see from the perspective of multiple time frames, on the monthly time frame, markets under control of buyers, and on the weekly time frame, markets under control of sellers. So there is conflict in the market between various time frames. So we have to be prepared for multiple scenarios. And I was checking our comments, and some of our viewers, they have told us that we can also apply RSI indicator to see what is happening in the market. So here you will see that on RSI, market has been overbought as it was trading above 70 value. So right now it has crossed under 70 level on the index. So based on this indicator, there's probability that market can potentially retrace, and this is based on the RSI indicator. However, the way I see things, it is very simple. On the monthly, it is under control of buyers. On the weekly time frame, it is under control of sellers. So there is conflict between various time frames, and we have to be prepared for multiple scenarios. So based on that, we get the following level for tomorrow. Above 17,396, we can trade towards 17,466 levels, 17,555 levels, and potentially 17,622 levels. And below 17,361 levels, we can trade towards 17,291 levels, 17,202 level, and potentially 17,100 level. And the neutral price range for tomorrow is going to be 17,396 to 17,361 level. So here, if you see the price structure, we have been making higher highs, higher lows, and today is the first day where we have made a lower high and a lower low. So it could be a start of a potential downtrend. There is also a probability that tomorrow we can witness an inside candlestick, but we have to be prepared for multiple scenarios which I have stated. So if tomorrow market trades below today's lows, in that scenario, in terms of the trend, we would be in a downtrend based on the price structure. Finally, before ending this video, I like to summarize that tomorrow above 17,396 we can potentially trade toward 17,466 levels, and below 17,361 level we can potentially trade towards 17,202 levels on the index. And broadly speaking, we're in a 600 point range based on the overall open interest data, with 17,500 and 17,600 likely to act as a strong resistance in this weekly series, and 17,200 to 17,000 likely to act as a strong support. And the option max pain level for this weekly expiry series is at 17,500. And I like to remind you that I would be sharing a long short bias stock watch list before 10 p.m. tonight, so do check that out. I would be sharing that on my blog, and I would be posting that on Twitter, so you can check those out. And in those stocks we would have a definite bias either to the upside or to the downside. And finally, I like to thank you all for watching this video. Do hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to Digital Trading Flow YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.